Alright, in this short video, I'm going to show you how we use team roles in order to allocate a task to somebody. Rather than allocating a task to a person or workspace user, we allocate it to a team role. In that instance, when somebody changes over in your business, you don't have to go and update the workspace user throughout Podio. You just update the team role person. So that's proved very useful for us in designing Podio. So today I need to allocate a task to my VA, but I don't want to directly give it to him in his workspace user. I'm going to use a team role to allocate it to him. So if we ever replace him, then we can just put the VA in the team role position. And that goes for all the different roles in one's business. So quite simply, I'm in the process, I'll show you our team roles. Create a team roles app for the different positions that you might want to reference that change in your business. You've got a virtual assistant here. And this is the workspace profile. So I want the task to be allocated to the workspace member, whoever the name is here. And we can do that quite easily. In this task, it can be in any task. I'm just showing you. On this task, when we create an item, on create, I'm doing a few things, and one of those things is allocating the task to our VA. So on create, we're going to ignore the top bit because that's separate to this conversation. But quite simply, I want to allocate a task to my VA using team roles. So what you do is quite simply search for item in another app. Then you choose the app that you need to go to. In this case, our team's roles app. Where in team role? Well, those are the different headers in here. So these down the side. So I want to look for team role that equals VA. So equals to VA. Then we're going to create a variable which equals to workspace member. So we create a variable, and when we do create a variable, we will see the ref roles section, and we can choose workspace member instead of the person's name and things. So we've chosen workspace member. That's now a variable that we can use in our assign a task. So we're going to assign a task, and in the drop down box, because we've created that variable, instead of choosing the actual user, we can choose the workspace member. And then we create a task as usual. And now when an item is created in this app, instead of using Bernard, who might or might not be with us in the future, it will use the VA role and allocate it to Bernard or whoever else is there. And as I said, that works for all of the roles in your business. It's very useful. So we, as a practice, try and use team roles when we're referencing our members in all of our workflows. I haven't done it in all of them, but as we move forward, we're trying to do that. And when I see it, I change it. All right, I hope that you find that helpful.